So my dear students, page 11, this is unit 6. Khalifa Shamsi, what was the morning broadcast about?
Hello, teacher.
Hello, Khalifa.
What words can
No, I ask you a different question. I say, what was the morning broadcast about?
what teacher?
The morning broadcast today, the morning broadcast, what was it about?
What's mean broadcast?
Broadcast الإذاعة.
No, breakfast.
No, not breakfast, broadcast.
Teacher, I don't know what.
It was about poetry, right? The International Day for Poetry, right?
Yes. I know.
Yes, and Unit 6
Teacher,
is also about poetry,
yeah.
right? Okay.
I know now. I know.
So, okay. Now, what words can what this animal looks like? You have imagine, syllables, rhyming words, describe, exact, letter, observe. What words can what
Rhyming
this animal
words.
looks like?
Rhyming words.
Rhyming words, what this animal looks like, or what words can describe?
Describe.
Describe, my dear. Describe, my dear students. If I describe something, I say what it looks like. If I describe something, I say what it looks like. Azam number 2. Cat, hat, and mat are
not rhyming words.
rhyming words. That's really excellent. Rhyming words. How do you write rhyming words? Spelled? You can see it on the screen. RH.
RHIU
Why?
YMING.
Okay, words. W.
WORDS.
Abdulaziz Hassan, this is page 11. This is page 11 in the revision. Okay, Abdulaziz, can you hear me? Everybody, this is page 11 in the revision. For everyone in my class today, this is the revision. This is the revision. This is the revision. And this is page 11 in the revision. Okay? This is page 11 in the revision. Muaz, who is Muaz? Muaz. Who is Muaz?
Teacher, I am Ahmed Khalid, but
okay, Ahmed, you can change your name now. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you, Ahmed. So, my dear students, Abdulaziz Hassan, are you ready? Maybe you're not ready. There is a problem with the sound with you, Abdulaziz. I think so. Ahmed Khalid. Your country is very beautiful. I what? He didn't see it before. So I imagine your country is very beautiful. I imagine. This is page 11. Again, I say, my dear students, this is page 11 in the revision. This is page 11 in the revision. This is page 11 in the revision. Okay? Page 11 in the revision. Yazan? Yazan, the word happy has two what?
Syllables.
Excellent, has two syllables. How do you write syllables? Okay, Yazan.
SYLLABLES.
Yazan, are you sitting in the dark?
No, it's not dark for me.
No. Turn on the light. Turn on the light. This is harmful for your eyes. Turn on the light or draw the curtains to let the light in. This is very important for your eyes, my dear Yazan. Okay? Another one. Salim. I like to watch birds flying in the sky. I like to, we chose describe, So let's cancel all the words that we chose before. Describe, rhyming word, imagine, and syllables. So you can't use these, only these now. I like birds. I like to watch birds flying in the sky. Exact birds, letter birds, observe birds. Observe, that's good. It means to look carefully at something. Observe means to look. Observe means to look. Observe means to look carefully at something. This is observe, like a policeman, for example, is observing someone. Yusuf Ahmed Ibrahim, haiku poems have an what number of syllables per line? We chose observe, so either you choose exact or letter. Yusuf. Yusuf?
Teacher.
Haiku poems have an read this word. Exact. Say it, Yusuf. Exact number of syllables. Sorry, of lines, of syllables per line. So here we have number 1, describe, number 2, rhyming words, number 3, imagine, 4, syllables, 5, observe, 6, exact. I'll move after 6. I want someone to say the answers. Azam, do you have a question?
Teacher.
Yes, my dear.
I write it
Before
this lesson
started.
I write it.
Okay, good. Now, did you write the same answers?
Yes, I write it.
So please check the answers for each question with us, Azam, okay? If you have any different answer, you can speak to me. Okay, Azam?
Yes.
Thank you, Azam. My dear students, when we do something that you did in the homework before, it's your turn is to check the answers with me to see if your answers are the same or not. Okay? Muhammad Hisham?
Yes, teacher.
Now, my dear students, I'll move now to another question. I'll clear, then move to B. What should we do in this activity, Muhammad Hisham?
Circle true or false.
Okay, read number 1 and say true or false.
Happy, sad, and beautiful
Are
are
adjectives? Happy,
false.
sad, beautiful. Are they adjectives, words that describe things or people? True or false?
True.
True, good. It's true, my dear.
I answer number 2.
Okay, Muhammad.
You can see snowflakes in summer. False.
You can see snowflakes in summer. So what can you see in summer?
Sand.
Sand. You can see
Because
the sun.
yeah,
But we can't see the rain or the snow in summer, right?
Yes,
Because
I
it's
got
hot.
it wait in summer.
But do you know that in some countries it rains in summer?
I know that, but
Yes.
no.
Of course, snow, no. That's good. Thank you, my dear. Yusuf Saif. Yusuf Saif.
Yes, teacher.
After you, Abdul Rahman. Bird, tree, and table are verbs. The bird, the tree, and the table, are they verbs? False. Also, the next one, Abdul Rahman Hamad. The word mountain has 8 letters. No, Abdul Rahman. The word mountain, count the letters, count. How many?
True.
True. It's
Teacher,
8
which
letters.
page?
This is page 11, Abdul Rahman.
Okay.
Quickly, please. Page 11 and choose now, Abdul Rahman. I'll count to 4. You open page 11 and you choose the true and false now. 1, true. 2, false. 3, false. 4, true.
ماشي.
Okay, good. Now let's move, my dear students. Page 12. Page 12, we've got 4 pictures and we need to complete with the correct word. Nasr al-Zu'bi. And what swims in the ocean? What do we call this? It's a fish, but we had a certain name for this fish. Do you remember angelfish?
Yes.
Okay, how do we write angelfish?
A-N-E-L.
A-N-G-E-L, and then fish.
F-I-S-H.
That's really good. F-I-S-H. Another one. Next one is who? Tariq Talal, then Abdul Aziz Hassan. Tariq, number 2. A what begins with a capital letter and ends with a period. A period means a full stop, my dear students. A what? Huh? A sentence? Tariq?
Yeah.
Sentence. How do we write sentence?
C-S-E-N-T-E-N-C-E.
Very good, my dear, thank you. Another one, a sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a period. The period, my dear students, is the full stop. In American English, they call it period. Abdul Aziz Hassan. A what sings in the tree? What's the name of this bird?
Robin.
Robin, very good. A robin sings in the tree. Abdullah Rashid is a person, place, or thing. A verb or a noun?
Verb or a noun?
Yes, a person or a place or a thing. A person, Abdullah. A place, Manama. Sing, like a notebook or a book. All these are what? Verbs or nouns?
Verbs or nouns?
Yes. Abdullah is a verb or a noun?
It's a noun.
A noun, right?
It's a noun.
So it's a noun. If you have a name, it's a noun. A name is a noun, Abdullah. Okay?
Okay.
Rashid al-Dosari, thank you, Abdullah. Rashid al-Dosari.
Hi.
Hello, Rashid, how are you?
Fine.
When you answer me, say yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Rashid, read the answers. Read the answers. Number 1 is?
Angelfish.
2.
Sentences.
Sentence. 3.
Robin.
4.
Noun.
Now, you know them now? Angelfish, sentence, robin, and noun.
Sentence.
Okay. A sentence like, I like Bahrain. This is a sentence. The sky is blue. This is a sentence. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Jumla, a sentence. Okay, it starts with a capital letter and we put a full stop at the end. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Thank you, Rashid. Isa. Then Muhammad Abdullah Al-Asmi, then Muhammad Usama. Ahmed Khalid, Umar Yusuf. Isa. Muhammad Abdullah Al-Asmi. Muhammad Usama. Ahmed Khalid. Oh, Muhammad Usama now is ready. Now, did you write this, Muhammad Usama?
Yes.
Okay, now let's clear. Muhammad, after that, he says, check the correct answer. Okay? I was sleeping when the plane landed or lands?
Land.
Land, which one? A or B?
B.
B, because it's in the past. Good. I was sleeping. This is ongoing action. When the plane landed, this is the interruption. I was sleeping when the plane landed. Thank you. Ahmed Khalid. When it started to snow, were you eating dinner? Where you ate dinner? Which one?
Were you eating dinner?
Excellent. After was or where, we use ing, right?
Yeah.
Were you eating? Thank you, Ahmed. Another one, Hassan Wa'il. Manisha was walking in the park when she a butterfly. When she were seeing or when she saw a butterfly? Hassan.
Yes.
Manisha was walking in the park when she a butterfly were seeing or saw. Oh, that's good. This is the interruption. Thank you. Isa. Isa is in 2 lessons. Or this is another Isa. Maybe this is another Isa, right? Do you agree, Muhammad, Usama, that this is another Isa, not the Isa we have?
Hi, teacher. What?
This is another Isa, right?
I don't know.
You don't know. Number 4, Muhammad Usama. Pete, when the teacher was talking. When the teacher was talking. Actually, it should be teacher only, not teachers. Remove the S. Pete was feeling asleep or fell asleep when the teacher was talking.
What? Feeling.
No, fell asleep.
Number B.
Number B, yes, fell asleep. Say it, fell asleep.
Fell asleep.
That's good. Rashid al-Dosari.
Yes, teacher.
ITV, when the doorbell rang, what were you doing? I was watching or I watched?
I watched.
I was watching.
watching.
Yes, here, my dear students, we have 2 actions. One of them going on like this arrow and another interrupted. Okay? The going on action was or were plus verb ing. The other action in the past. The other action in the past. I was sleeping, going on. When the plane landed. Were you eating dinner? When it started to snow. Like this. So just remember, after was or were, we use verb ing. If the action is going on, we use was or were plus verb ing. If the action is interrupting, we use the past simple. I hope that you chose the correct answers. Let's clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Move now to page 13. Page 13, we need to do make sentences. Abdullah Rashid.
Yes, teacher.
Write the words in the correct order to make sentences, then match them with the pictures. Number 1, was cleaning when the phone rang Mary the kitchen. What was Mary doing?
Mary was
Mary, just a minute. Mary, good. Was
cleaning
excellent.
the
what?
kitchen
The kitchen.
when
The
phone rang.
I wanted to finish before you said that, Abdullah. Why did you finish early? You are always faster than me, Abdullah Rashid. Again, say it, Abdullah.
Mary was cleaning the kitchen when the phone rang.
Excellent student, thank you. Ahmed Khalid. Where rain swimming when it started to? Ahmed Khalid. We started with we. What were we doing? Be faster than me. We were what?
We were swim
or swimming?
Swimming.
When
it
started to rain. When it started to rain, okay? We were swimming when it started to
rain.
Thank you, Ahmed Khalid. Arif al-Shamsi. When Ahmed fell a book asleep, he reading was. What was Ahmed doing when he?
Ahmed.
Just no, wait. I want to finish before you. Wait. Okay? Now it's
Ahmed.
time. Either you finish before me or I finish before you. Huh? Ahmed.
Ahmed fell asleep when
No, change. Ahmed.
Ahmed was reading a book.
Huh? Quickly.
When he fell asleep.
Even you, Khalifa, finished before me. All of you are against me today. You and Abdullah Rashid and Ahmed. Okay, thank you, Khalifa. You're excellent. Yazan.
Yes.
I'll finish before you, Yazan. Walking a robin when I in the thicket I saw. Huh? What were you doing?
I saw.
I was.
I was walking
Where?
in the
Thicket.
thicket.
This is like a forest, okay? In the thicket. Complete. When?
When I
I'll finish before you. When I saw
a robin.
Who finished first? You or me?
You.
No, you. Thank you, Yazan. I was walking in the thicket when I saw a robin. Here we have 4 sentences, my dear students, okay? I want you now to match them. I want you now to match them. For example, here we have the 4 pictures. Number 1, Mary was cleaning the kitchen when the phone rang. 1 or 2 or 3 or 4? Huh? I want Nasser Zu'bi to say. Nasser. Nasser, this is 1 Nasser, okay? Mary was cleaning the kitchen when the phone rang. Huh? This is number 1, okay? Which one is number 1? A or B or C or D? Which one?
Number B.
B, good. Okay, and let's make it blue. Write number 1 here in B. Another one is Yusuf Saif Hilal. Yusuf Saif, number 2. We were swimming when it started to rain. Which letter? Yusuf? I can't see Yusuf. So, Abdulaziz Hassan?
Yes, teacher.
We were swimming when it started to rain. Which picture?
C.
C. So, write C here is 2, right?
Yes.
Write 2. Abdurrahman Hamad. Ahmed was reading a book when he fell asleep. Ahmed was reading a book when he fell asleep. A or D?
A.
A. So this is A is number 3, okay?
Okay.
And the last one, Tariq? Huh? I was walking in the thicket when I saw a robin. Can you see the robin?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is number
4.
The final order, my dear students, is A3, B1, C2. This is like Z, but it's 2. Okay, and 4, and D is 4. Now I'll count to 4, then I'll move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have the test of Unit 6. Muhammad Abdullah Al-Asmi, did you write in the revision?
With you, teacher.
Hello, Muhammad, did you write this in the revision?
Yes.
No. Yes, good. So clear all drawings.
Not that.
The last one, no?
No.
So it will
No.
be a homework for you, Muhammad. Okay?
Okay.
And you share, I'll get to the page 14 in the book with you. Page 14, this is page 14. Muhammad Abdullah Al-Asmi, can you see this page? Muhammad.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
start now, Muhammad. Choose. Circle the correct order. This is page 14 you have, my dear students. This is page 14.
And workbook.
This is page 14 in the revision. The same revision. We are in the revision, Muhammad Abdullah Al-Asmi.
Teacher, I can I take my
Get it, please. Stand up and get it. Okay? Azam,
أنا teacher.
page 14, Azam, start.
Yes.
Okay, start.
A noun.
A noun or a verb is an action word. Action. Which one?
Action. It is a verb.
Verb. Good. You are excellent. Don't be afraid. Don't hesitate. Rashid Al-Dosari. A syllable or a sentence is a small part of a word. A small part of a word.
Sentence.
A syllable. A syllable. Okay. A syllable. Okay, Yusuf Ahmed Ibrahim. A sentence or adjective is a lot of words together with a period at the end. A sentence or adjective? Huh? Yusuf? A sentence. What is it, Yusuf?
A sentence.
A sentence. Sentence. Say.
A sentence.
Sentence.
A sentence.
Tense. Very good. A sentence is a lot of words, not one word, and there is a period. It means a full stop at the end. Abdul Aziz Hassan Nasr. Rhyming words or syllables always have the same sound.
Rhyming word.
Excellent. Rhyming words. Abdul Rahman Hamad. An adjective or a noun describes something. Yusuf describes something. Adjective or noun?
Adjective.
Adjective. Excellent. Muhammad Osama. A noun or a syllable is an object or a name like Muhammad, or a place like school.
Noun.
Noun. Excellent. Now we finished. Number 1, verb. 2, syllable. 3, sentence. 4, rhyming words. 5, adjective. And 6 is a noun. Count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's move. Who's ready? Who's ready to answer, to make sentences, to complete these sentences? Azam. Azam, look at the boy. He was walking to school. What happened?
When it started raining.
Excellent. But say it when it started to rain. When it started to rain. Right, everybody? It started to rain. Thank you, Azam. That's really excellent. Everybody right. Everybody right. Abdullah Rashid.
Yes, teacher.
She was looking at flowers. What happened here? When
The butterfly.
a butterfly landed on her arm.
Landed on her hand.
Hand or arm?
Arm.
Arm. Excellent. Thank you, my dear Abdullah. Abdullah Al-Asam. The girl is here. What were they eating? What were they eating, Yazan?
They were
eating a snack. What happened?
when the teacher came.
Excellent. Exactly. We have the same thoughts. When the teacher, but there is no V in teacher, right? When the teacher came. That's it. Good. Yusuf Saif, where are you? Yusuf. Done? Yusuf is gone. Nasir. Quickly, Nasir.
Yes.
The last one. What was the boy doing when the phone rang?
The boy was watching TV.
He was watching TV, of course. He was watching TV. TV. When the phone rang. Everybody write quickly. Everybody write quickly. Khalifa Shamsi, read the sentences again. He was walking.
He was walking to school when it started to rain.
The next one.
She was looking at flowers when a butterfly landed on her arm.
Good. 3.
They were eating a snack when the teacher came.
Good. 4.
He was watching TV. He was
When the phone
when the phone rang.
When the phone rang. Did you write, Khalifa?
Yes, teacher.
That's good. We still have number 5 and 6, my dear students, so I need to move now. Khalifa, are you still there?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Khalifa, do number 5. Just a minute. Let's clear. Shall I clear, my dear students? Let's clear. Number 5, Khalifa. I'll show it now.
Okay, teacher.
Bismillah. La ilaha illallah. Number 5. What happened to this boy?
He fell over.
What was he doing when he fell over?
He was running.
He was running. Good.
Yes, teacher.
Excellent. He was running. I write it. He was running when he fell over. Very good. You are excellent students. Thank you, my dear. Azam.
Thank
Ah.
you, teacher.
What happened when the lesson started? What was the girl doing when the lesson started?
She read.
She
He was
read
reading.
or she was reading?
He was reading.
Excellent. She was reading what? A book?
A book.
Maybe if you say she was reading, it's okay. Just write she was reading when the lesson started. Thank you, Azam. She was reading when the lesson started. My dear students, we only have 5 minutes now. I'll move after I count to 3. 1, 2, 3. If we move to the next page, we have 3 poems. Clear. 3 poems. Let's read them. Let's read them. Yazan, read. The acrostic poem, Yazan.
The acrostic poem.
Sun. This is spring, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Sun.
Plant. Plants.
Plants.
No, pla. This word we say plants, but it's plants actually, my dear. Plants.
Plants. Rainbow. Insects. Nests. Grass.
And grass. Very good. And the scene came poem.
Leaves. Green light.
Floating, growing, stretching.
The floating, growing, stretching. The hand of a tree.
Plants. Very good. And the last one, my dear, the birds fly.
The birds fly in spring. Rainbow drops dancing on their wings. They look for a nest.
Now, my dear student, which poem is acrostic? A or B or C?
Acrostic is
Yes.
A.
A, right? Just write A here, my dear students. A. Thank you. Azam. Which poem is a haiku?
It is B.
No, C. This is the haiku. Okay, but this is Sinkain, right?
Yes.
The next question, Azam. Which poem is a Sinkain?
It is B.
B. Thank you, Azam. Another one. Abdullah Rashid. Abdullah.
Yes, teacher.
Abdullah, which word here in these 3 poems makes you think of water falling? Water falling. Water falling. Water falling from the sky. What do we call this? Huh?
This we call like
What is this word?
raindrops.
Raindrops. You know the rain?
Drops, yes.
So raindrops. It makes you think of water coming down from the sky, right?
Yes.
Raindrops. Another word. Where is he? Where are you, Yusuf? Yusuf Saif. Which word makes you think of something that isn't heavy? What's the opposite of heavy? Azam. The opposite of heavy is light. The opposite of heavy is light. I say something is heavy, something is light. All right, my dear students. Raindrops and light. Now, Nasser. Nasser, which word, Nasser, makes you think of something growing longer? Growing longer. Growing longer. Which one? Grow longer.
Plant.
Is it floating or stretching? Grow longer. Stretch.
Stretching.
Stretching, my dear students. Stretch. I know that this question is hard. Stretching, because it focuses on special meanings. Stretching. Okay, just try these now, my dear students, and do the rest of the page as a homework. Now we finished Unit 6, my dear students, in the revision. Okay, and also Unit 7. And we were about to finish Unit 8 in the revision. Tomorrow, inshallah, we may start Unit 9. Okay, we will take only the new words of Unit 9 and we will do activities about them for Wednesday and Thursday. After that, the syllabus will finish. And maybe when we come back, we will have 2 days for revisions. Okay? Thank you very much, my dear students. And this lesson is for class 4B and 4A. I think I need to send them the video of this lesson because they don't have a lesson today. Stop share. I was so happy to be with you today. Thanks very much for the excellent students who were with me today in the lesson. Tomorrow, inshallah, we meet in a new lesson. Goodbye and good luck. Thank you, everyone. Goodbye.
Bye, teacher.
Goodbye.